Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am your science teacher and in case of science, the topic on which we have to discuss that is electricity and circuit. So in case of electricity and circuit, we will discuss to the topic as connecting wires. What does mean about connecting wires? What is actually the connecting wire called? Connecting wire is what? It is the medium, you can say. It is the medium through which the electricity can be supplied. Or we can say in an electric circuit, the wire in the circuit are called as a connecting wires or electrical cables or leads. These wires are made up of metals. Why? Because metals, they are made up of metals because the metals can conduct the electricity through which the electricity can be flowed. That means it is the conductor. What does mean about conductor? Conductor is a material that can allow the electricity to pass through them. So the electricity can only be provided through the material that can allow the electricity to pass. So these are what we call, these are called as the metals. These metals are allowed to light to pass through them. And we can say to make the wires safe to touch are prevented from the shock, there will be a covered wrapped around. Suppose there are a number of copper, so this can be covered up by a layer. This one is made up of, this can be made up of insulator. Why? Because in which the electricity cannot pass. Why? If it is passed through them, so you can got shock. So from preventing the shock or any damages, here is a covering material, or we can say the covering or protecting layers are wrapped around the metal wires. It is usually covered with a plastic. Why? This one is a plastic. Why it is plastic? It is a bad conductor. It is a bad conductor, so the electricity cannot be, might have a shock when it touched. Okay, the next is to make the bulb light, the metal wire must touch the battery. To make the light glow or to electricity to glow, when the bulb is allowed to glow, so this wire, suppose it is a wire, so wire is allowed to connect through a cell or a battery. This is the positive and negative terminal. So these has to be battery or the cell, it must be connected to the battery or a source of electricity from where the charges or the charged particles move. So we can say for the glowing of a bulb or for lighting the bulb, there must be a battery through which the electricity can pass out. And a bulb connected to an electric cell. How the bulb is connected to an electric cell? This is the mean by which the connected. Suppose if this is the wires, so this wire has to be connected in a negative terminal as well as a positive terminal. Suppose if it is a bulb, the bulb only glow when it is connected to the electricity or the source of energy. So this one is called as what? The electrical cell, or either a battery. So this can only glow. How it can be connected? This can be connected by this means. There is a two poles, that is a negative and positive poles. That one is also called as a positive terminals and negative terminals. So the cell has the two ends, that is the flat bottom end and upper a metal cap on which the positive terminal shown, and at the bottom where is the flat end, that can be called as a negative terminal. So this is the positive and negative terminal on which the electricity supply. So thus electricity can supply by the means of from the positive terminal towards the negative terminal. These are positive and that one is negative. So positive terminals, from the positive terminal it went towards the bulb, and here is negative terminal. These are supplied to the batteries. In case battery, then we discuss about battery. What is the battery? In general, we can call a torch as a battery in our areas, in our surrounding. We can call a torch to a battery, but actually this is not right, because here you can see this may be off, you can call it torch, but somewhere it is called as a battery. This is not wrong actually. This will be the right as well. How? Because here is in the cell, in this particular vacant area, here is a battery. Here you can see the battery. These are the three cells. They are in a row. So that one is called as battery. When the cells are connected to one another, the number of cells, more than two cells. Two or more than two cells when they are connected in a series in one another, that is called as a battery. So in case of a torch, the battery is placed inside its body. So we can also call it battery. That behalf it is wrong, right, but another way it is wrong. So we'll discuss on battery. What is the battery? Battery is what? It is made up of two or more than two cells. How this can be made up of? This is called as a cell. Suppose there are the number of cells are around. Suppose there are a number of cells around us. This one is also a cell. If they are connected to each other, they are connected in such a manner then this one is called as, now it is called as battery. singular form now it is called as not cell. This one is called as a bed. Why? Because more than two or more than two cells are connected in a series, then it is called as a battery. So this is what we call battery. How this can connected? Here is a negative terminal, this one is a positive, this one is negative, that one is positive, this one is negative, that one is positive. That means negative positive, negative positive, negative positive. Two terminals are there that are connected in such a way. What is the electric circuit? Electric circuit is a pathway. Electric circuit is a pathway through which the electricity can supply. Suppose if there is a cell this one having positive and negative terminal, and if there is a wire connected, one wire connected towards the negative terminal and second connected towards the positive terminals, and if there is a switch and a bulb are connected, so it will have to connect it the second terminal. This one is positive and negative terminal has to be connected in such a way so these two terminal has to be connected in such manner. Now this one is connected in such a way that light can travel or electricity can go through. Now the electricity supply in this manner. So it is the pathway. This can be now this can be a order, that is the electricity can run. Electricity can run through this way, so it is what? It is a pathway in which the electricity can supply. That one is called as a electric circuit. An electric circuit is the closed path through which the electric current flows.